Some sources say the Gupta Empire existed for 215 years, from 320 AD to 535 AD.
It was located in modern-day south-central India and Pakistan, but over time they gained more land.
The time that Gupta ruled was called the Golden Age because there weren't many wars and it was a very successful empire.
Chandragupta I was the first ruler of the Guptas. He started the empire. Chandragupta I was a very rich and powerful man who owned many states.
Meals were mostly made up of fruit, milk, meat, vegetables, bread, and cereals.
Meals were both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. The meals you ate depended on what type of religion you were. The most common religions were Hinduism, Buddhism, or Hindu-Buddhist.
Hindus believe in dharma, which means balance, karma, which means every act has its consequences, samsara, which means reincarnation, and moksha, which means heaven.
The word Buddha means teacher in some ancient Indian languages.
Some Buddhist beliefs are right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right work, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration.
Also, do not harm any living thing, do not say unkind things, do not steal, and do not drink alcohol. Some of their religious beliefs were also great achievements. The climate of the Gupta Empire was diverse, hot, dry, and humid. In some places it was cold, while in other places it rained often. You can see that there was different weather throughout the Gupta Empire because it covered a huge amount of land.
The Gupta Empire took advantage of their natural resources and surroundings. For example, they had two rivers right next to them, the Indus and the Ganges, and they supplied water for their tribe.
The Gupta Empire had a lot of natural resources that all helped their civilization. They had silver, gold, clay, and oil.
These items are all rare and valuable. This means they got more visitors, so they got more money. They used this money to build more houses for people to stay in, and they bought more supplies to defend themselves, so fewer people tried to attack them. The Gupta Empire had three different rulers named Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, and Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II and Chandragupta I were not related. They all helped the empire.
Some scientists say that Chandragupta II was the greatest Gupta Empire ruler.
He was a military general at one point, but was a very nice king who was open to ideas from the tribe.
Samudragupta ruled for a very short time, but he still was a ruler. Even though he wasn't a big part of the empire's development, overall the rulers of the Gupta Empire did a great job running the tribe and government.
The Guptas loved to trade and connect with other countries. The Guptas most loved to trade with China.
Some scientists and mathematicians came from China and solved great equations and problems with the help of the Gupta. For example, they created the number 0.
So clearly, the Gupta Empire was a very successful empire.
It was a large empire that covered a lot of ground in ancient India.
In the end, the Huns blocked all the Guptas' trading routes, and then the Gupta's empire slowly fell. But while it existed, the Gupta Empire was the golden age of India.